think when I slow on I do? Well, I make some nice up for the youth, them wise up. Papa Biggy, stop make them trick on it. Listen. How much more Zeeks and how much more Dodos? How much more Jim Brown and Claudia Masso? How much more Bobby Reds them a go string up? How much more Chubby Dread them a go mash up? How much wanna down? How much more clans a go find themselves in the vampire hands? How much more Spanglers and how much more shower? How much more ghetto youth them a go devour? Make some nice up, make the youth them wise up and identify the kickle them from the teacup. Make some nice up, make the youth them wise up and identify the kickle them from the teacup. How much more junglists and how much more Craigies I go sign them name on the no more list? How much Natty Maga, how much more Sandokan? How much more ghetto youth want to be the next Dan? How much more a plan to join the next gang? To go prove to them friends that them a real bad man. How much more mother go ball for your belly when she see the image them way appear upon her celly? Make some nice up, make the youth them wise up and identify the kickle them from the teacup. Make some nice up, make the youth them wise up and identify the kickle them from the teacup. How much more body you feel dip and repeat before you realize you can't win in the street? How much more youth a go fall for the trap before them realize them just a part of the map? How much more clappies and how much more knockies I go join the long line of the next statistics? How much more youth I go join the lifestyle and go end up in a Babylon forensic file? Make some nice up, make the youth them wise up and identify the kickle them from the teacup. Make some nice up, make the youth them wise up and identify the kickle them from the teacup. How much more Zeeks and how much more Dodos? How much more Jim Brown and Claudia Masso? How much more Bobby Reds them a go string up? How much more Chubby Dread them a go mash up? How much wanna down? How much more clans a go find themselves in the vampire hands? How much more Spanglers and how much more shower? How much more ghetto youth them a go devour? Make some nice up, make the youth them wise up and identify the kickle them from the teacup. Make some nice up, make the youth them wise up and identify the kickle them from the teacup.